Plato, in fact, ran some of his classes in these very gardens. So he would have brought them to have dialogue on geometry, on love, on all aspects of what made a full ancient Greek education. You have to read Plato's Republic in order to understand what a classical education was. And the idea was you would learn all these various things in order to speak, but not only to speak in order to understand reality, and not all of reality could be spoken so literally. You had to understand abstract concepts, so you'd need geometry. And geometry wasn't the truth. He was very concerned with the truth of reality, but it would take you to see that there are objects of our reality that are more than what we see with our very eyes. You can see that it ran through their civilization. It was something that would bring you somewhere higher, was the idea. So that's the idea of the analogy of the cave. So geometry gets you to see that what you see with your senses isn't everything, that there is an underlying, there are patterns that connect the various phenomena of the senses, and this is geometry, or more generally today, mathematics. Mathematics itself, today it's what we know, but back then it literally just meant anything to do with education, really. In today's world, certainly when I was in school, people were separating algebra from geometry, and that's a real loss, actually. You want to actually be able to visualize things in your mind's eye, and you want to notice the patterns in the algebra for sure, but you definitely want all of this to speak to you so that you realize that this is actually the world around you.